In this video, we will use the GDP data that we had previously looked at from different countries and use this data to create a sampling distribution. So I took that data and created different samples, random samples of size 10. So I created a total of 15 samples. Each had 10 observations, therefore the lowercase n is 10, and you can see these observations right here. And these are the 15 samples. And now we are going to calculate the mean, the arithmetic mean for each of these samples. And naturally, as these are random samples, the value of the mean for each of these samples will be different. So you can see it goes all the way from about high of 28,000 right here to a low of about 12,000. So there's a fairly wide range. Now, if we look at this data of 15 random samples of GDP, and we look at the means that we have calculated for each of these 15 samples, we can draw a very quick chart to see how these range. So we select that, insert, and we click on this, and this chart that appears shows us how are the means of those 15 samples distributed. So although this is not sorted in any particular order right now, except just randomly, samples 1, 2, 3, all the way through 15, we can see that there is a distribution of these sample means. And this is how we create a sampling distribution. So you can take more and more samples, and over time, if you plot them all in a sequence, you will see that a gradual bell curve will emerge.